the program is just a wonderful addition to my life. Skill development is not easy, especially the skill of meditation. But what he does is he introduces us to a variety of styles in the practice. He emphasizes the importance of knowing as much as you can about the various styles out there, because one style may not work for everyone. Everyone has a fit, and he starts small, which is extremely important. Because otherwise you get demotivated pretty quickly. But it's also important you build it up from there. So he does a great job of that. And more importantly, he also fosters a sense of independence. There are bite-sized daily lessons, and these lessons are incredibly helpful, not just for the practice of meditation, but also if you want to apply them in the broader aspect of your living. And then you have weekly challenges where you can take up one challenge. You can just essentially see how conscious you are about just living up to that challenge. So these are things that I really enjoy about the program. He's almost intuitive in anticipating that and helping you with a very practical way of dealing with that problem. For instance, I've been meditating for 10 days, and then on the 11th day I encounter something which is kind of an issue. The monkey mind talking to me, saying that, just give up the practice today, or some other issue. And it's very important for us to enjoy this practice because it's for life. And I highly recommend this program to everyone. And I hope you all join him and make this world a more peaceful place.